Hi peeps, it's Megan Wheat and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Neuclo Watch Luxe2. For those of you that watched the previous video of Luxe, this is an upgraded version of Luxe, so it's Luxe2. And we shall see today what extra function it has and the design of the watch. I like the sleeves, the sleeve again. On this side it just briefly shows all the functions, the main ones, and on the back we can see it's waterproof again, so it features IP67 waterproof, so you can take it in your shower or you can play sports in the rain. It charges very quickly in 2 to 3 hours, and the battery will last for maybe 5 to 7 days depending on how much you use it as well. The case is aluminum case. Also the straps are made from silicone, and it has a stainless steel bracelet as well. It has for the health function, the blood pressure, heart rate, measuring the blood oxygen, reminder for when you're sedentary, the sleep monitoring as well. It has many multi-sport functions as well. The pedometer, obviously calorie tracking, distance tracking, different modes for the sports, walking, running. We shall see when we have a look at the watch as well. Let us just open it and see what's inside. The sleeve is very nice. The box is quite sturdy. I like the material of the box, and it's very easy to open and close. It has two metallic buttons there. This is our lovely watch. Oh, it looks superb and looks very comfy to use. We're going to see that later. This is the charger. Very easy to use with the things that are attached to the watch. Very easy to charge. Inside there is a nice manual, self-explanatory, giving more details about the functions of the watch and how to use it. Again, the product authenticity card, the card explaining the eco-friendly company that Neuclo is, and the thank you card. Right, I'm going to take the watch off the pillow, the cushion. Very easy to do that. So it comes in 3 colors. So there is a black case, silver case, and also rose gold case. Let us peel this. Feels very smooth, the screen. The strap is a silicone strap. It feels very nice on the hand, especially when playing sports. You want to feel comfy with what you wear. It has 2 buttons here. So this one is for the menu. Let us first look at how we can change the faces of the watch. So with the long press, just going back. So you can choose between different faces. There's other faces you can choose from when you download the app. So you can download the app from the App Store or from Google Play and pair it with your smartphone. Okay, so a quick swipe and it takes you to all the functions the watch has. Shall we start with maybe heart rate? Yeah, so the sensor is on the back. Just going to measure my heart rate. Okay. Just a minute. It doesn't take too long, but it means it's more accurate. Right, there it goes. Has the sleep tracking, so it shows all the data, your blood pressure as well, blood oxygen, the music app, so when you pair it with the phone, stopwatch, you can just have a check of your messages, change other settings. So if we enter there, you can change the language to adjust it to the language you speak in your country, or change the brightness as well. So if you wanted more or more or less bright, right? Just go back. So as I said, this is the second button that you can use for different sport modes. So for example, we can choose badminton, and very easily it shows the tracking of all the data using the sensor on the back. I would say all in all, it's worthwhile to have the upgraded version due to the fact that it has more functions. Also, the screen appears to be more durable. The strap is lovely and can obviously change it as well. And I give it a thumbs up. I think it's worthwhile buying it, and it's a very good quality and price balance. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye for now.